I have absolutely nothing to wear, nowhere to work, and no idea what to cook. Is this still good? I feel overwhelmed just looking at this mess. I know I'll have to clean up again all weekend and I'll have no time to myself at all. And once everything is in place, chaos will spring right back out as soon as somebody opens the cabinet. So, whatever, I'll try anything. I'm ready to clean out some things, refresh my life, start over. But where do I even begin? I guess I could sort out some clothes. I never know what's in there anyway. I'm just going to lay them all out on the bed and have a quick look. Nope. 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 No. Wow, I forgot I had this. I'm going to display you on the front. No. No. Nope. I am so tired. And that's not even half of it. I'll get to you next time. Maybe I could clean out the surfaces instead. They always distract me when I'm trying to work. I don't need this or this. And whose is this? I have never seen it before in my life. I'll put it here just in case. Now, this is much better. I think I should do the bathroom next. Hi, nice to see you again. I thought I'd save this for you. It doesn't really serve me anymore. No? How about this? I can't believe I've had so much hair care. I'm sure it will serve you better. Do you want to have some tea? Can you imagine? The average US home owns over 300,000 items. Are you still playing with mice? Come on, you're 5 years old now. My notes from college? Who am I kidding? I don't think I'm going camping anytime soon. Books are a thing of the past. I am not my possessions. Capitalism has no power here. I am living an intentional life. We don't need all of these plates and cups. Or pots. I only have 4 burners. I think I'm gonna sell these. I might as well make some profit. And done. It looks kind of empty in here. I think I should buy some plants. I am so happy with how everything is turning out. My mind is clear and focused. It feels nice to have a day off in here. Don't call me now, I'm feeling blissful. Sound minimalism. I think I might do some decluttering. A relaxing Sunday, working on myself constantly. I could brush my teeth with water. It's the natural way to go. Relaxing is decluttering. Decluttering is relaxing. I've seen people sleeping on yoga mats and their back was just fine. If I didn't know any better, I'd say I've gone a little far. But I think it's time that we part our ways. Does this spark joy? Yes, it does. We lost 3 plants this week. I think I might have bought too many. I promise I'll do better. Now I really have nothing to wear. Are you gonna wear that? I'm just asking for a friend. Who am I kidding? I decluttered my friends. Even you. Do you want some tea? We can share a glass. I finally understand what I truly need in life. I am going to keep the things that are meaningful. The things that bring joy and value to my life. The things that help create experiences and make memories. The people that I love, that I grow and laugh with. I've learned so much about myself and what's important to me now. Sometimes the things we choose to keep don't have to make sense to others, and that's okay, as long as they make sense to you. Life is not about the material things. It's about you and having a good time, taking only what you need from this world and giving back your love, your smile, your passion, a full and memorable life. So, when can I come over to declutter?